Good morning, everyone. I am here in Munich, Germany. I am severely jet lagged. I have no idea what happened this time around because usually I would adjust within just a couple days, perhaps. This time around it's been really difficult actually, and I have slept, I think today, a total at most 4 hours, which is insufficient since I really need to catch up on sleep from the past few days. Anyway, I'm here in the Old Botanical Garden in the heart of Munich, Germany, and I'm just going to take a stroll on this beautiful, sunny summer morning in Munich. Beautiful bellflowers. Growing amidst fern. Please correct me, but I think this is goat's beard. Hellebores and more hellebores and more hellebores all over. There's the New Guinea patience, that is Euphorbia, Gara, Cosmos, some dahlias sprinkled in, ageratum, Cannas, of course, these pinkish, bright red zinnias, salvias here, some snapdragons as well, purple fountain grass right here. And back there, that's a lady's mantle. And of course, some hydrangeas. This beautiful combination is so uplifting and energizing for my jet-lagged morning. You have the Cannas, the Verbenas down here, the orange zinnias, snapdragons again, ageratum, salvia, cosmos, garas, and the Verbena bonariensis. And this right here, I've never seen before. This is a lantana standard. Here we have sea holly, daylilies, and Jerusalem sage, which have finished blooming for the most part. Surrounding the bare beaches are cranesbills,